In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the chords and melody of Here I Am to Worship on piano. Let's begin by going over the scale of C major, which is the key that we're going to play this song in. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And the melody of the song is only 5 notes, so all we have to do is play C with your thumb, D with your pointer, E with your middle, F with your ring, and G with your pinky. Now before I demonstrate the melody of the song, you can go into the description of this video and open up one of the 2 chord charts. And the 2 chord charts are identical, but one of them tells you the names of all the notes that I'm going to play, and the other one tells you the numbers of the notes, which are C equals 1, D equals 2, E equals 3, F equals 4, and G equals 5. And as I play the song, I'm going to display both the name and number of every note I play. So either chord chart works. All right, here is the melody. And feel free to alter the timing a little bit just depending on what version of the song you've listened to or your interpretation of how it's sung. So here is the verse. Light of the world, you stepped down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. And then that melody will just repeat. Beauty that made this heart adore you, hope of a life spent with you. Now let's do the chorus melody. Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. And then the second half just repeats the first. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Now I'll play through the melody of the bridge. I'll never know how much it cost to see my sin upon that cross. And that just repeats. If you want to do the higher part in the Tomlin version, then it moves up to I'll never know how much it cost to see my sin upon that cross. Might even go higher. I'll never know, etc. And for that variation, notice that I've moved my thumb to the G, pointer to the A, middle to the B, and ring to the C. And then if you do the I'll never, and you need that high D, you can do your pinky there. I'm not going to play that variation when I demonstrate the song in its entirety, but it's there for you to use if you like it. Now let's go over the song's chords, which thankfully are all white notes. So we have C major, notes C, E, and G. We've got D minor, notes D, F, and A. We have F major, notes F, A, and C. And we have G major, notes G, B, and D. And this is what happens when we combine the left hand playing chords and the right hand playing melodies. Light of the world, you stepped down into darkness, opened my eyes, let me see. 3, 4, and beauty that made this heart hold this for 4 beats or 8. I'm holding it for 8. 5, 6, chorus. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. Here's where the melody repeats. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Now we're going to do the bridge. I'll never know how much it cost to see my sin upon that cross. Now it repeats. I'll never know how much it cost to see my sin upon that cross. You can hold that for a total of 8 beats if you want, and then it would go back into the chorus. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, etc. Thanks so much for watching, and God bless.